What's up guys? This is Joyce again and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano gumawa ng virgin coconut oil. Kung malaman, make sure na panoorin mo tong video hanggang sa matapos.
First of all, you must get and select a very mature coconut. This is very important because if you choose a young or immature coconut, you will not get enough coconut oil. You can start at least 2 or 3 coconuts. Split the coconut with a sharp cleaver. The next step is to extract the coconut meat from the shell. Then put in a net bag and place it on the coconut milk extractor to get the pure coconut mixture. The coconut milk is now extracting as it is being pressed. Once the coconut milk has been extracted, sieve it using a muslin cloth to remove any impurities. So now, this is the mixture that is going to be used to create your homemade coconut oil. Then transfer into a container and put covered and leave it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you will notice the excess water at the bottom. Then store in the fridge for 4 hours to form the coconut milk into a solid so that we can easily remove the excess water. After 4 hours, the coconut milk turns into a solid form. It became solidified. It's time to separate the coconut cream and remove the excess water at the bottom part. Slowly get the solid mixture. And then discard the excess water. We don't need this. So after you remove the excess water, so this is what it looks like. Place the mixture in a bowl and store in a warm place. Wait 10 hours for the coconut cream to settle at the bottom of the bowl. After the pure coconut oil will rise to the top. After 10 hours, tada! This is what it looks like. You will notice the virgin coconut oil separating from the curd. Now, what we're going to do is to separate the oil from the curd. Slowly spoon the oil into a new container. So yan guys, dahan-dahan lang po sa pagkuha dahil nahahati po yan sa 3 parts. Yung nasa ibabaw, yun yung oil, yung nasa gitna, yung curd, and yung nasa ilalim, may tubig pa siya. Cold processed virgin coconut oil is made with no heat. This allows the oil to retain more of its naturally healthy benefits, antioxidants, and vitamins. So just be patient. All good things come to those who wait after all. So, ayan na yung nakuha kong oil. Transfer ko na lang siya sa maliit na jar kasi malaki yung pinaglagyan ko. These are the benefits of virgin coconut oil. A boost in good cholesterol, moisturizer, good for blood sugar and diabetes, boosts energy, antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, increases metabolic rate, healthy for your skin, hair, and nails, improves digestion. With a few days of attention and a minimum of effort, you can have your own supply of pure virgin coconut oil for all of your cooking and cosmetic needs. It is a great beauty ingredient and can help in controlling dandruff and preventing acne. This homemade coconut oil can easily last for a year or at least 8 to 10 months. You should place it in an airtight container and don't leave it out in the open, else it can get contaminated and lose its qualities. Virgin coconut oil is different because of the way it is extracted. It has a strong taste and fragrance. This homemade virgin coconut oil has no preservatives and chemical and is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.